ID scanner that bars fake IDs? ViAge CAV3200 is shockingly smart. And no sub fees. Ever felt like running security or checking IDs is just one big guessing game? Like you're constantly rolling the dice on who's legal, who's not, and praying you don't get slapped with a fine or worse. Whether you're managing a bar, dispensary, casino, vape shop, or just tired of relying on the vibe to verify someone's age, this daily stress can leave you frustrated, second-guessing every decision, and drowning in outdated tools that barely work. You need speed, certainty, and peace of mind. Not another overpriced gadget with a manual thicker than a phone book. Let's crank up the pressure. Imagine it's peak hours, the line's out the door, and you're stuck flipping over bent IDs like it's a game of blackjack, only the stakes are your business license. You miss one expired card, and bam! Fine city. Or worse, you turn away a legit customer and lose their trust for good. Meanwhile, your staff is fumbling with tech that needs training and monthly fees just to maybe work right. Stress levels rising yet? That slow grind of missed revenue and creeping non-compliance is real, and it adds up fast. Enter the ViAge Solutions CAV3200 Handheld ID Scanner, your new ride-or-die compliance sidekick. This isn't some clunky relic or overcomplicated tech toy. It's plug-and-play, fits in your hand, and scans all US and Canadian driver's licenses with laser-sharp precision. Barcode? Magnetic stripe? Expired? Fake? It flags it instantly, flashes a warning, and even shouts with a double beep if the ID's no good. No training needed. No subscriptions. No BS. Plus, it runs standalone, no Wi-Fi, no internet drama. Just straight-up age verification that works. And let's talk perks. The CAV3200 doesn't just ID check, it complies. With free lifetime updates, full data manager software, and real-time compliance reporting, with memory toggle on or OFF, you're covered across the board. Want to track VIPs or ban list alerts? It does that. Want something portable with no learning curve? Boom! This one's ready out the box. Lightweight, ergonomic, reliable. No nickel-and-diming you later for software or maintenance. Just fast scans, peace of mind, and the kind of back-end protection that earns you sleep at night. Ready to ditch the guesswork and upgrade your ID game for good? Join thousands of business owners who've already said yes to ViAge's zero-fluff, high-accuracy CAV3200. Supplies are limited, and let's be honest, you can't afford another night of oops. Protect your business, while your staff, and stop stressing over fakes. Click now, grab yours, and make age verification the easiest thing you do all week. Let the scanner do the thinking, you just run the show.